Hey, thanks for joining my channel again. This is yet another unboxing video because it's still too cold to do any installs. So this is another Oracle brand unboxing. Oracle, I'm telling you, you guys got to send me some sort of like t-shirt, some sort of swag, maybe a hat. I've been doing a lot of Oracle product purchasing. So maybe in my install videos, I could have like a nice Oracle shirt on or sweater or like maybe a hat. I know you're watching, so maybe you'll send me something, we'll see. Anyways, so this unboxing is going to be for these huge guys. This is going to be for, I'm going to size that box. This is the Oculus by LED headlights. The 9-inch headlight replacements for 2020, 2021, probably 2022 Rubicon Gladiator. So we'll unbox these and we'll take a look at them together. And I can't wait to put these things on. Like, I've already got the LED flush tail lights on the Gladiator from Oracle, and they work amazing. They were super easy to install. If you watch my install video, they were super easy to put in. But they're so bright. The LEDs are so bright. They look like stock. Like, they're just the high quality LEDs from Oracle look just like stock or better. Like if you buy the LED upgraded package. But the cool thing is these lights are way better for off-road, for trail riding and all that kind of stuff, because they're flush. They mount right around the sides of the truck. So for me, it just looks way better and it's more functional. Like, I know Jeep likes their squared lights. I've had Jeeps all my life, but on this truck, it just looks primo. So anyways, let's unbox this, take a look, and then when it warms up, I'll do an install video and you guys can critique it and put it in the comments. Again, thanks so much for watching, and let's open this box up and check out these lights. Okay, so this is the big box of Oracle by LED headlights, the Oculus brand. Let's check it out, see what we got here. Okay, so we just got our instructions and more Oracle lights. I have so many Oracle lights. Oracle light stickers. I have so many of these stickers now. Okay. Whoa. Oh, these are awesome. Oh my goodness. So, oh my god. Jeez. They're huge. They're absolutely massive. So, I'm old school. I don't care about all the trickery and the crazy lights. I just got matte black. I got a halo that goes around, right? Daytime halo. You can do the amber for like signaling, but I'm not going to do that either. That's it. That's all it is. All I cared about is the LED, the actual LED for brightness, for driving off-road, driving at night, all that kind of stuff. Because the ones that I got, again, I already said this in a couple other videos, but I did not get the LED package on my Gladiator Rubicon because it was way too expensive. But these I've heard are better than stock. They're brighter. So I can't wait to install these and check them out. Anything else that I'm missing? Oh, here we go. We got a bag of goodies, it looks like. Okay. So yeah, I know what this is. This is going to hook up your halo, right? So you're going to run that to one of your fuses. And in my install video, I'll show you guys which fuse to hook it onto. But again, it doesn't look hard. Oracle does a great job in actually giving you all the stuff you need to install. And the instructions have been really good on all my other stuff. So I'm sure the instructions on this are just as good. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like if you want. If you don't, I totally get it. My videos suck. But thanks for watching, and look out for my install on these awesome Oracle LED headlights. Thanks again. Have a great day.